Yo people, wagwan. Welcome back to this channel where every day is a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Dominic Richards, and today we'll be continuing in our series where we're looking at the teachings of Jesus. Now, before we get into today's reading, I want you guys to like this video, share it, subscribe, turn on the notifications and set it to all so you never miss another video. And by the way, videos are dropped every morning at 5 a.m. All right, so go ahead and do that and come right back so we can get into the word. Cool?
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
All right, so today we are going to read from Matthew chapter 15. All right, if you have the New Testament, Jamaican New Testament, it's up on page 43. All right, Matthew chapter 15 from verses 10 to 20. We read. Then Jesus called the people them which part him there and say, hear what me I say and understand this. When somebody dirty, and no sake of what them put in them mouth, or what come out of them mouth, make them dirty. Then him follower them come say to him, say, you know, say the Pharisee them did feel a way when them hear what you say. Them take it to heart and vex. Hear Jesus, no? Every plant when my Father in heaven never plant, I go root up. Allow them, make them go on. Them are blind people, where I lead blind people. If blind, I lead blind, the two of them not bound for drop in our hole. So Peter say, the two of you where you went tell the Pharisee people them, how what you did mean? Jesus say, you mean say una still not get what me I say? Una not say everything we wanna put in our mouth, go in our belly first, then come out of our body in the toilet? But the sitting them will come out of our mouth, or out of our heart them come from. And at them sitting there, we make people dirty and not clean in our God's sight. Cause out of the heart, all kind of wickedness where people think up come from. When somebody go kill, go sleep with somebody where them not married to, or go on with all kind of other sex sin. When people thief, tell lie, or take them mouth, tear down other people, at the heart them sitting there come from. At them sitting there make people dirty. When you yam and no wash on your hand, I know that cause people feel not clean in a God's eye. I know me say so. God word this. Peace.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.